We are doing a boiled egg in the air fryer. Usually for the boiled egg you have to use water and a stove, and the advantage of the air fryer is that you are saving on water and saving a little bit of time. So in the air fryer for 120 degrees for 15 minutes. To stop the cooking process, you will put the egg in icy water. So as you can see, the texture is perfect for the egg white and the egg yellow. I hope you enjoy this recipe, a very simple instruction on how to do boiled egg in your air fryer. And I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Yardies Food Channel.